Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a little link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York. Love worst game a reaction. Girl from Puff Bay, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal, Tigo, Galdeville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rounaway, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know it's the best representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hearing me, man?
Yo, it's Shane representing for 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yo, Jamaica worst game, man. Drop that one, yeah. Review it now.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Today, guys, today with Khago. Yes, man. Khago, Sky God himself. Sugar Daddy, Shawn Stamp this. Bumbo clot. Let me just say something before me start that one here. Sorry. Shawn, you should just ignore Khago, you know, bro. Because I know how them man stay, dog. You should just ignore him. I know how Khago stay, bro. You should have just ignore him and never even call him name in a Capalat song. You should have never say nothing, bro. Because I know Khago is a person like this. If the only way to kill you lyrically, him have to kill himself to kill you, he will do it. I saw Khago stay. Khago, no give a fuck, bro. So, you should just leave him alone. But, I could jump in that one and hear what this guy got to say still. I mean, no say that one I go different. Yo, Long Chain Global, look at myself. Yes, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 music, let's go.
Yeah. A Khago. Sky God. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bang. Shawn Stamp. Shawn Stamp. Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. Shawn Stamp. Shoot up your little girl car where your man buy gear. Shawn Stamp a sodomite.
Your sugar daddy never tell me we kill you. Shoot up a little car where your man buy gear. Yo, when Cartel say, in a prison they eat that, but out a road they eat worse. You think I lie, my tell? You don't think I lie me that tell? Yeah. I don't think me attack. I don't think I'm attack. Me bumbo club. What one is so?
Bang.
What one is so?
Shawn Stamp. Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. Shawn Stamp. Shoot up your little girl car where your man buy gear. Shawn Stamp a sodomite. Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you. Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy gear.
Yeah, one thing, you know, everybody gonna talk about Shawn Stamp car, you know. Everybody gonna talk about your little one series and Shawn Stamp get, you know. Someone says a girl car.
Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you. Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy you. Yeah, boy, you're loyal. You bring your poor friend, go make your rich friend kill him. Bang, bang. Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy you. Yeah, boy, you're loyal. You bring your poor friend, go make your rich friend kill him.
This is what me I say. When me telling you, son, if you leave Khago alone. If you not clash, just leave Khago name, brother. Even if Khago shoot off it, just leave him alone. Leave Khago the fuck alone, bro. Me I telling you, dog. Leave Khago the fuck alone, bro. Cause the man attack anything. Yo, me telling you, dog. Me telling you to leave him, brother.
Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy you.
Me telling you, dog.
Yeah, boy, you're loyal. You bring your poor friend, go make your rich friend kill him.
So I must say, yo, this part allegedly, no. Khago never say allegedly, no. Khago say, you bring your poor friend to make your rich friend kill him. That's what him say. Yeah, that's what him say. Listen them attack, listen them call the poor friend. Him say, you're not loyal, Shawn. Him say, you're not loyal.
Yeah, boy, you're loyal. You bring your poor friend, go make your rich friend kill him. Bang, bang. And a man a mind your bumper word so you can't tell this Sky God boy about shilling. How are your house there? Boy, where you billing? 50-year-old big man a call a next big man daddy. God make.
Huh?
Bang bang. And a man a mind your bumper wall so you can't tell the sky God boy about shilling. How are your house there? Boy, where you billing? 50-year-old big man a call a next big man daddy. God make
Man say where your house there, where you bill, where you have for yourself. Show where you have, brother, where you have. Anything you have a man by give your brother. How a 50-year-old man for your next 50-year-old man daddy? That's what the man I say. Oh, the blood clot.
go make your rich friend kill him. Bang bang. And a man a mind your bumper wall so you can't tell the sky God boy about shilling. How are your house there? Boy, where you billing? 50-year-old big man a call a next big man daddy. God make you not kill him. Pussy a laughing stuck in the village. And a man a mind you tell you no chance stop. I'll cry it and me say fuck up your Gaza farm. You a friend killer them who no tell me fi call. Not even a suck pussy bars can't flow like this pussy wall.
Oh my God, no holds bar. All is fair in love and war. I can't tell you, Khago. Khago, where the teacher said to you? Where Khago? Oh, the blood clot, yo. Yo, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. Boy, go back to sleep, like. What me I do to myself? Yo.
Them who no tell me fi call. Not even a suck pussy bars can't flow like this pussy wall.
Yo, what you do to myself, dog? Yo, when me get up and I react to that, yo, me know what them, yo. Class. What me doing in real life? You deserve them something, brother. Khago, what the fuck, dog? Khago, what me doing in real life, brother? Yo.
But the man a dead alright. But the man a dead alright.
My chest.
But the man a dead alright.
Me can't feel my chest, dog. You know what?
Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. Shawn Star, shoot up your little girl car where your man buy gear. Shawn Star, my sodomite. Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you.
Yo, that's how you say sugar daddy man never tell you say we kill you.
Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy gear. Yeah boy, you're loyal. You bring your poor friend, go make your rich friend kill him. And a man a mind your bumper wall so you can't tell the sky God boy about shilling. How are your house there? Boy, where you billing? 50-year-old big man a call a next big man daddy. God make you not kill him. Pussy a laughing stuck in the village.
Man say God make you not kill him. A 50-year-old man a call next man daddy. 50. Yo, where you not kill him, God? That time him there your ways. I don't mean to say Khago.
And a man a God make you not kill him. Pussy a laughing stuck in the village. And a man a mind you tell you no chance stop. I'll cry it and me say fuck up your Gaza farm. You a friend killer them who no tell me fi call. Not even a suck pussy bars can't flow like this pussy wall. Go suck.
The man say not even a suck pussy bars can flow like this. The man say he flows effortlessly like a river in flow. You say God tell have them flow your dog. You say God tell suck pussy hard too. And I mean say sorry, but say bro.
No tell me fi call. Not even a suck pussy bars can't flow like this pussy wall. Go suck Lisa pussy Shawn. I want that under your nose. No Shawn stand balls. So good Shawn.
The man say go suck Lisa pussy Shawn. Him say what that under your nose. No Shawn stand balls. Who love say what that under my nose? I'm out. God tell say that. So him say what that under your nose. Him say a Shawn stand balls. Yo, me tired dog. Me tired brother. What the fuck dog? And this is not killing for react to for the whole night, brother, and day, brother. Eh? I'm never ready, dog.
Go suck Lisa pussy Shawn. I want that under your nose. No Shawn stand balls. So good Shawn stamp. See them if you tell you go home. Tell big pussy scatter barrel send back me chrome. Yo, I'm gonna ball in a man up. Up a blood clot ball in a man up. Blood clot. Shawn stamp. Me tell us to leave Khago alone. Don't me tell us to leave the blood clot man alone. Alright. Go suck Lisa pussy Shawn. I want that under your nose. No Shawn stand balls. So good Shawn stamp. See them if you tell you go home. Tell big pussy scatter barrel send back me chrome. The man says, see them if you tell you to go home. Left yard. You're there too. You hang around like nose ring. You hang too much. Left yard and go on your yard Shawn stand. That's what the G say. Not me. Khago said that. Khago said that. Khago said that. Good Shawn stamp. See them if you tell you go home. Tell big pussy scatter barrel send back me chrome. Big pussy scatter. Himself is send back he chrome. Send back he chrome.
Why Chrome there, scatter? Why Chrome there?
Good chance time, see them if you tell you go home. Tell big pussy scatter barrel, send back me chrome. Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. But in on the dead, alright. Chance time, shoot up your little girl car where your man buy gear. Chance time, I sodomite. Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you. Yeah, the girl. Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy gear. Pussy no loyal. And you boss me want kill chance time. Bang bang. Then shot a fat shot in a popcorn. One
Bumbo clot. The man says, Shawn Storm, you're a baby to this, and your boss me want kill, then slap a fat shot in a popcorn. Where Papi Dio? Where really boss Dio?
boss me want kill Shawn Storm. Bang bang. Then shot a fat shot in a popcorn. One man against the world with a gun in a arm. See them a ride off me cocky stuck it up in a R. You a shotty me rate like me be my car. Gaza split up in a two, them nah go far. Your boss can go water foot, pussy go bar. Friend killer pussy hole, suck a cigar. And a man a mind you tie you na Shawn Storm. Al-Qaeda me say fuck up the Gaza farm. You a friend killer, them who no tell me fi call. Natively a suck pussy boss can't flow like this pussy wall. Go suck Lisa pussy Shawn. I want that under your nose. No Shawn Storm balls. So good Shawn Storm, see them if you tell you go home. Tell big pussy scatter barrel, send back me chrome. Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. But in on the dead, alright. Shawn Storm, shoot up your little girl car where your man buy gear. Shawn Storm a sodomite. Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you. Girl the girl. Shoot up your little one series where your sugar daddy buy gear. Pussy no loyal. Yo, me say me what's a dance serpy. Cartel concubine still away burpee. Say
Then what's that on Serpy? Cartel cranky buying still a
yo, me say me what's a dance serpy. Cartel concubine still away burpee. Say for me make a girl cut him pussy clot short in a Shawn Storm when him a come out of therapy. Boy you move.
Say for me make a pussy clot girl cut him short when him a come out of therapy. What?
A girl cut him pussy clot short in a Shawn Storm when him a come out of therapy. Boy your money alone can't save you no. Had the suicide general a grave you no. Check we no here say your water did a beard you no.
You see it? You see it? What me tell you now? What me tell you now? Khago is a suicidal kid. Khago will kill himself just for kill you. Him don't tell any brother. Remember say him don't deal with Sizzla we and that. Big up Kalanchi. Remember say him done deal with Sizzla we and don't tell any brother. The man said to Sizzla say yo, me will grab on the home room under your cheek and jump off with you off a mountain peak. What that mean? If you wanna tell you that, what that mean? He might kill himself and kill you. How the blood 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓?
In a Shawn Storm when him a come out of therapy. Boy your money alone can't save you no. Had the suicide general a grave you no. Check we no here say your water did a beard you no. And your worst nightmare this God go with you. Gaza know me no play fear. Go tell your boss me we pay for me plain fear. Suicidal up in the ear there. Boom, bang, Gaza man full of fear. One man against the world in a me chopper chair. Them a big team up yo, but me chaka clear. You go here. Boom, suicidal general. Boom.
Yo, me telling us to leave this blood clot youth alone in the brother. Like, what people don't understand with Khago is Khago not have no old bar, brother. Khago not afraid. Khago say anything may come and more. Khago not afraid to clash nobody in the dance hall. And Khago has always been that guy, bro. We see him go up against Sizzla at the time when Sizzla upon him peak. We see him go up against Assassin. Not Agent Sasko, Assassin. We see him go up against Ayactane. We see, yo, Khago has been in many battles, bro. And Khago has never, to me, I don't see Khago drop no catch, bro. Like the man no care, dog. Shawn Storm, take my foolish advice, bro. Leave it alone. Just ignore it. Please, my beg you, just ignore it, bro. Ignore it, brother, cause me know Khago have a lot more if you say no, dog. This is just a tip of the iceberg. So leave it alone. Comment section. Big up on yourself, me gone. Me not nothing more to say. Me gone to blood clot. Me gone.
Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game a reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lillington, girls, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Galdeville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lillington. Actually, factually, you know what's the best representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hear me, man?